royally delicious. Just like you! Ingredients. Today I'm making a creation with my new pasta machine. Lovely green marcato. I'm making a fettuccine with pecorino, basil and lemon zest within the fettuccine. And then a very quick summery sauce that's gonna blow your mind. We have 300 grams of double O flour and 3 eggs. Now, the very important point when making fresh pasta, depending upon the season, the flour condition, the humidity, you might need more or less of whatever ingredients you have, so the eggs and the flour. Usually is 1 egg for about 100 grams of flour, but it could be a little more, a little less flour sometimes, so you can also add as needed. Now in the dough preparation we have pecorino, lemon zest and basil. Now we have the zest of 2 lemons that goes inside the dough. It's a very special mixture. It's an Amalfico style fresh pasta, and I'm making it my own by creating a longer shape, a fettuccine with the same type of concept. Got lemon zest, got basil, fresh basil, and pecorino grated. A drizzle of extra virgin. One of the secret to know when the dough ball is ready is the spring back test. When you know you've incorporated the right amount of air and the gluten has worked its way into its maximum elasticity, it should spring back to the original position. Look at this. Now, seal it in the fridge for 20 minutes. You see how beautiful this is? It's got all the gorgeous ingredients. It's got the basil, the lemon zest, and inside you have the pecorino. And now we use the Marcato pasta machine, starting at the largest setting, which is 0. We make the pasta sheet. Now we go higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The flour dispenser. See, this is a removable handle, and we put it on the fettuccine. See this one? Fettuccine, this is the spaghetti. If you want, you can put this one over there if you want the spaghetti, but today we're doing the fettuccine. Today's fettuccine have to go up to setting 6. This is the width of the pasta sheet that I like for my fettuccine. No more, no less. And we're ready now. We make the sauce. 5 minutes. And you have a fresh, summery fettuccine just like you would have on the Amalfi Coast. Pasta water is boiling. We salt it. It's time for the fettuccine to go in for 2 minutes. 3 at the most. We're going to be using unsalted butter, parmigiano, and lemon juice. It's gonna be quick, fresh. You can have it cold, you can have it hot, whatever you want. All we do is get a little butter. Lemon juice. Fettuccine go in. Partly cooked. They're gonna finish in here. Parmigiano without mercy. Tears of the pasta gods. Just a splash. You have to do this a sentimento, based on your feeling of the moment. Add more or less lemon juice or parmigiano and a little extra butter as you wish. Then shake it. A little basil on top doesn't hurt. Just gorgeous. Nonna would be proud. Summer is zesty, so delicate, just like you and I.